Hello everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial video, and today we are going to solve a problem where we have to solve a series. Here you can see the series, that is y is equal to 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus 5 square dot 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 until n square. That is, if the user enters 10, the series value will be minus 55, and if the user enters 20, then the y value will be minus 210. So let us see how we can solve the series. First, let me just write the code for it, and then I will describe it. Okay, my code is complete. So let's just see what happened here. First of all, I've taken an input n, and then I've taken a new variable, that is sum equal to 0. After that, I've taken a for loop here for x in range 1 comma n plus 1 comma 1. What does this condition means? This condition means that the range will start from 1 and then it will go until the n term. N plus 1 means it will go until the n term, and the difference between the numbers or two digits will be 1. After then, I have given a if condition, that is if x mod 2 not equal to 0. So why I have given this condition? It is because if you see in the series, the odd positions are positive and the even positions are negative. That's why I am checking the odd position. If x mod 2 not equal to 0, that is if the position is odd, then just normally sum equal to sum plus x into x. This line means that x is square, that is the number square. Else if the position is even, then sum equal to sum plus x into x, that is this is the same x is square, that is the term, the number square, into minus 1, because you have seen that in the even positions there are minus. That's why I have given minus 1, and then we will just normally print y equal to sum. So let me just again run it. I'm giving 10, y equal to 55, like the question. Let me just again run it and enter 20 minus 210. So it's a very short code, so I hope you understand it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.